Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to uninstall a software or application from your Windows laptop or computer. It is really easy and straight process. So what you need to do is click here on this window icon, or you can use directly the Windows icon on your keyboard. Now click here on search and then type uninstall, and then you will see this option add or remove programs. Click on this option and now you will see the list of all the softwares and programs or apps installed on your laptop or PC, and you can see which application or software you want to uninstall from your computer. For example, I have GIMP installed, which is a alternate to Photoshop on my computer. What I will do to install any of this software, right click on these three dots. If I want to install Google Chrome, I will right click on these three dots and then click on uninstall. For now, let's just remove GIMP. So I'll right click here and click on uninstall, and then one more time uninstall. And now, depending on the software or program you're removing, you will be asked some questions and steps. They can ask you if you want to completely remove GIMP and all its components. Click on yes, and then the software will be uninstalled. I hope you liked the video. If you want to know how we can block the annoying ads on your computer while surfing internet or watching a YouTube video, check this video on screen. And if you want to know how to download Google Chrome on your computer, check this other video on screen. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate that, and share this video with somebody.